Classification used in the plant and animal kingdom. Introduction. Hello students, welcome to today's lesson. Today, we will be learning about the classification used in the plant and animal kingdom. Classification helps scientists group living things according to their similarities and differences. By learning these groups, we can better understand the characteristics of plants and animals. Let's begin. Animals. Vertebrate. An animal that has a spinal cord protected by vertebrae, backbone. Invertebrate. An animal that does not have a spinal cord or backbone. Mammal. A warm-blooded animal covered with hair or fur. Female mammals give birth to live young and feed them with milk. Bird A. Warm-blooded vertebrate with feathers, 2 feet, and wings. Most birds lay eggs. Reptile A. Cold-blooded vertebrate with a body covered in scales. Most reptiles lay eggs. Fish. A cold-blooded aquatic vertebrate that has scales and breathes through gills. Herbivore. An animal that feeds only on plants. Carnivore. An animal that feeds on other animals. Omnivore. An animal that feeds on both plants and animals. Nocturnal. An animal that is mainly active at night and rests during the day. Plants. Herb. A small plant known for its medicinal, culinary, or aromatic properties. Shrub A. Low-growing woody plant with several stems. Tree. A large plant with a single thick woody stem called a trunk and many branches. Mesophyte. A plant that grows best with a moderate amount of water. Hydrophyte. A plant that grows in water or in very wet environments. Keep exploring biology.